We knew this was coming. The DA told us so. In fact, he told us so right here on this show, live a few months ago. New Mexico authorities have finally charged an 11-year-old boy with murder because that 11-year-old boy finally turned 12. They say he was one of the 4 kids in a stolen car who filmed themselves deliberately ramming a cyclist who was on his way to work in Albuquerque. Scott Habermill was a nuclear scientist, and I say was because Scott died from that hit and run. I'm about to show you the video, and I'd like you to keep your eyes on the right-hand side of your screen on a kid named Messiah Hayes. He's allegedly the 11-year-old boy in the front passenger seat of the car, the one waving the gun right before the hit and run.
Are you guys recording it?
Yeah. So.
Hurry up with that start.
They gonna hit him hella fast.
Just bump him, bruh.
Like, you like bump him?
Yeah, just bump him. Go like 15, 20.
Yeah, just bump him, brah. While 3 other boys allegedly in that car had already been charged or pleaded guilty to murder, Messiah, that youngest boy, spent months in legal limbo. At 11 years old, the law in New Mexico stated that he was too young to be charged with a crime and held, that he was too young to even be arrested. But in May, when he turned 12, all that changed. And now, tonight, he is charged with 1 open count of murder. We reached out to his public defender, and we received the following statement. I want to read it for you. It's actually incredible to get a statement like this from a public defender. The person says, "We are so saddened by this case for the Habermill family and for our client. He is literally a boy, barely 10 years old, when he was first out on the streets alone. It should surprise no one that he has had a rough young life, but he also has an extended family who tried very hard to find him and save him from getting swept up in trouble. How do we as a community reckon with all of this in a just way and in a healing way?" I want to bring in Jessica Garate. She's a news anchor and reporter at NewsNation affiliate KRQE in Albuquerque, friend of the show as well. Jessica, good to have you back again. So I'm still kind of trying to reconcile this. How do you retroactively charge a 12-year-old just because he's legally of age for a crime that happened when he was 11, when he legally was not of age for arrest and being held and being charged?
And Ashleigh, thank you for having me. So the state can charge children with murder under the age of 12. There's no statute of limitation, so it doesn't matter what age you are when you commit an open count of murder. But under New Mexico law, as you said, they cannot be held. And so you can't arrest them, you can't put them in detention, you can't put them in jail. Now, we do know that he was turned over to the Children, Youth, and Families Department, which is the state here, and that he was at a behavioral health center for kids during this time. So he wasn't just out on the streets, but he was under the custody of the state during this time. But they were just waiting until he turned 12, where now he can be put behind bars.
And now, so we were just looking at a graphic, and it looked almost like there were 3 kids in the car. And for a long time, we thought there were only 3, but there were 4, all 4 now facing charges. But Messiah Hayes turned 12 in May, and it's now July. I'm sort of wondering if you know what the delay was. Were they haggling, trying to figure out if they could pull this off?
I think, you know, I've had calls out to the district attorney's office trying to figure out why there was a couple months delay on this. I don't have any answers yet, and we're not privy to juvenile records here in New Mexico, so that always becomes an issue. My hunch is that they were just trying to figure out where he would be going and how they do that, and so I think that it's just been trying to figure this out. And of course, this is just a really unusual case where you have a kid this age who is accused of a murder.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.